Saan kaya masarap kumain dito sa SM East Ortigas? Wait, may bagong bukas pala na buffalo wings and things dito. And my first impression? Love the vibe. Fun, playful, aesthetic, and super inviting ng place. Plus points pa talaga kapag ang babait ng staff. Pero syempre, let's talk about the food. Perfect pang chicken date itong Grand Slam for 2 nila. And ang dami nito. Imagine, you get 4 pieces champion buffalo wings, 5 chicken fingers, 2 dirty rice or steamed rice, plus chili and cheese nachos. Since I'm craving for some potatoes, I upgraded the nachos to bacon and cheese potatoes for just 20 pesos. And good decision, I brought some home and my kids love this. First time ko matry yung creamy salted egg nila, and it's buttery, creamy, with that salted egg flavor, and just a little kick. Ang sarap. But this one, ito ang nagpa-extra rice sa akin. There's sriracha garlic, OMG, spicy, garlicky, flavorful. Nakakadami talaga to ng rice. This is definitely the flavor I'd come back for. And because I wanted my meal to be more exciting, I went for the dirty rice instead of plain rice. My Mexican-inspired flavors and salsa, which I personally love. Perfect partner sa wings. And they actually have so many other flavors to try, so mukhang may reason na naman ako to come back. So if you're looking for a new place to eat in SM East Ortigas, check out Buffalo Wings and Things. Try their sriracha garlic and let me know kung nagustuhan nyo rin.